Hi friends, welcome to Radhika's teaching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please tap on bell button and get my notifications. Children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter is energy from the sun. This lesson is taken from the 8th class. High and low temperatures. The scientists have recorded the highest and the lowest temperature on the earth. The highest temperature have recorded on the earth, the place is Azizia. It is located in Africa or Libya. In July 1992, the temperature reached at 57.8 degrees Celsius. Okay? The highest temperature. The highest temperature recorded at Azizia in Africa or Libya. Where did they record? In July 1992. The temperature reached about 57.8 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature. The lowest temperature was recorded on the earth. The place is Vostok Station in Antarctica. In July 1983, the temperature falls about at minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Okay, the lowest temperature. Lowest temperature recorded on the earth. Place is Vostok Station. It is located in Antarctica. In July 1983, the temperature falls at minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. Okay? Minus degrees Celsius. 89.2 degrees Celsius. Okay? When the temperature reaches about 800 degrees centigrade, then it starts to boiling. It starts to boiling. The temperature reached at 100 degrees centigrade, then starts to boiling. Starts boiling. When the temperature reached 0 degrees centigrade, then freezes into ice. Freezes into ice. What is the lowest minimum temperature? 0 degrees is the lowest minimum temperature? No, not. The lowest minimum temperature is the minus 273.16 degrees Celsius. Minus 273.16 degrees Celsius. Okay, when the temperature reaches 100 degrees centigrade, starts boiling, and 0 degrees centigrade freezes into ice. Okay, the lowest minimum temperature is the minus 273.16 degrees centigrade. Next, recording temperatures. Recording temperatures. Okay, how do we record the temperatures? Note down the highest temperature of the day by the using of the 6 maximum minimum thermometer. Okay, 6 maximum minimum thermometer, and note down the highest temperature of the month and calculate the average maximum temperature. Okay, average maximum temperature. How do you know the average maximum temperature? Adding the highest temperatures and dividing by the total number of days. Adding the highest temperature and dividing the total number of days, we get the result of the average maximum temperature. This way, in this process, we know the average maximum temperature and average minimum temperature. Next, the topic is different places have different temperatures. Different places different temperatures. Okay, different places have different temperatures. Yes? Do you know why the different places have different temperatures? There are many reasons. Let's we discuss some important reasons. Okay, places that near the sea and far away the sea. Okay, places near the sea and far away from sea. And the difference of the top of the mountains, the temperature difference about the top of the mountains and the foot of the mountains. Top of the mountains and foot of the mountains. And already you know about them as we go north or south from the equator. Yes? Move north or south from the equator. Okay, children? These three reasons are most important. Okay? Near the sea and far away from the sea. Okay? These different places have the different temperatures. And the top of the mountain and foot of the mountain are the bottom of the mountain. These different places have the different temperatures. As we go north or south from the equator, these different places also have the different temperatures. Maritime and continental climate. The temperature in Panaji not change much throughout the year because of the Panaji is located near the seashore. That's why the Panaji does not get too hot and too cold. That's why the air is also, above the air is also does not get too cold and too hot. Okay, this type of climate is known as the extreme climate. Extreme climate. The places near the sea usually have temperature that remain fairly constant throughout the year. This is known as the moderate climate. What is the moderate climate? The places near the sea usually have the temperature is fairly constant throughout the year. This is known as the moderate climate. Okay. Next, the Hyderabad. Panaji is near the seashore. Okay. The Panaji have the moderate climate. And the Hyderabad. Hyderabad is far away from the seashore. Okay, far away from the sea. Or far away, this is not a area, place is the seashore. Okay, that's why Hyderabad in summer season the ground temperature is rises up. Okay, the ground temperature is rises up. That's why the around the air is also heated. And the winter season the ground is cool. That's why the around the air is also cool. Okay, this climate is known as the extreme climate. Okay, extreme climate. What is the extreme climate? A big differences between the maximum and minimum temperatures is known as the extreme climate. Okay, height and temperature. Okay, height and temperature. Delhi is an elevation about 2000 meters from the sea level. And the Shimla is an elevation about 2200 meters from the sea level. So, the Shimla is cooler than Delhi because of the, usually for every 1000 meters, every 1000 meters increase in elevation, the temperature falls by around 6.4 degrees centigrade. Okay, increasing the height, 1000 meters is increasing, okay, that decreasing the temperature 6.4 degrees centigrade. Due to the cooler temperature, the different kinds of plants grow on the mountains and the hills. Children, this is our today's topic. Remaining topic will be discussed in the next session. Thank you, children.